India, the birthplace of knowledge, a land of sages, seers, scholars and scientists, and of wisdom, insight and continuous learning. It was Aryabhata from India who invented the zero. It was Buddhayana from India who first explained the concept of pi. Ayurveda, literally meaning the science of life or longevity, owes its origins to ancient India, and what is known as chess today was actually a game called Chaturanga, invented in India thousands of years ago. The world's first university was established in India at Takshashila in as early as 700 BC. And today, in this new millennium, this legacy of knowledge sharing continues to educate, liberate and transform generations. A legacy of shaping dreams by enlightening minds. A legacy called Saurashtra University. Saurashtra University. Enlightening minds, shaping dreams. One of the most relevant meanings of Saurashtra is a good and auspicious region. It's a land rich in antiquity, art and architecture. Saurashtra is a land of lions and lion-hearted leaders. And it is right here that Saurashtra University was established at Rajkot in 1967 by Shri Dollar Rai Mankar, the founder vice-chancellor, an eminent educationist and a researcher in ancient learning. He established this university with a vision to be at the vanguard of knowledge in the domain of higher learning. And since inception, the university has progressed this very clarity of purpose.
The Saurashtra University has completed 4 decades. It was established in the year of 1967, and today Mal University, which is one of the largest universities in the state of Gujarat, has emerged as the destination of choice for the young generation in pursuit of high quality education.
Over the years, several philanthropists, academicians, educationists and mentors have served this university and made its journey of excellence a memorable one. 410 acres of lush green campus, coverage spread over 6 districts of Gujarat state, over 350 affiliated colleges, 27 departments on the campus, 3 UGC SAP departments, 5 centers of excellence. Saurashtra University is the second state university with an ASC, the only state university with a Center for Continuing Education, CCE, and now with a 4-star accreditation by NAAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council, Government of India. It is excellently poised to cross new frontiers and catapult itself into a whole new global league. Saurashtra University, enlightening minds, shaping dreams. Saurashtra University is a rich resource of knowledge, where students have the freedom to chase their multifaceted aspirations across various disciplines.
The most significant facet of our university is the student-first approach. Everything that we do here revolves around students, whether it is admission procedure or teaching methodology. Every activity is student-centric and students are always at the center of all initiatives.
The campus offers an excellent infrastructure, ideal for exchange of ideas and insights. Well-stocked library, always-on internet connectivity with laptop facility for all faculty, campus-wide fiber optic network, paperless technology for efficient administration, transit house for international visiting scholars, sports and recreational facilities, hostels with all modern amenities, state-of-the-art computer center, specialized laboratories, in-campus post office and bank, botanical garden, geomagnetic observatory, art gallery, automated weather station, apart from an ambience conducive to continuous learning, Saurashtra University also houses several centers of excellence and institutes focused in pursuit of specialized knowledge. Center for Continuing Education, Academic Staff College, IGNOU's Regional Center, Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University Regional Center, Career Counseling and Development Center, Vidushi, Center for Women's Study and Research.
What I like about this university is its ambience and the campus life.
The campus life at the university is vibrant and purposeful. Canteen, Plaza Bus Stop, youth festivals, stimulating seminars and lectures, sports meets, cultural events, street plays, blood donation camps, Earn While Learn scheme. All in all, the university is an epitome of excellence in higher education, excellence in research and publications, excellence in quality assurance, and above all, excellence in sharing knowledge across all sections of society. Saurashtra University, enlightening minds, shaping dreams. Saurashtra University is a financially surplus organization owing to funding received from several philanthropists, including Dr. Deepchand Gardi, who has till date donated over 30 million rupees. Such generous donations have enabled the university to take higher education to the deprived sections of the society and to enhance the quality of its education to global standards. Saurashtra University today has a student population of over 2 lakhs, and despite the rapid academic growth, its fundamentals have remained unchanged. Diverse mix of students, healthy student-faculty ratio, continuously upgraded curriculum, and the strongest value proposition is its team of highly distinguished faculty members who have to their credit several scholarly publications and articles.
One of the strongest assets of this university is its distinguished team of faculty members.
Apart from the rich resource of knowledge, what the faculty members bring to the table is their external linkages with the industry and the external world.
Having worked on research projects in national and international organizations of repute, these mentors have dedicated themselves to the cause of transforming the university's vision into a reality. A reality that reflects in the excellent linkages with all leading universities across the world. A reality that facilitates science and research collaborations with several international institutes and organizations. A reality that has empowered the university to become one of the most sought-after campus recruitment destinations for leading organizations who wish to hire sharp minds and exceptional talent. And while the university remains focused on its mission of nation building by shaping dreams and enlightening minds, these minds continue to meet, interact, wonder, learn, share, debate, innovate, participate, collaborate, explore. These are the mantras that enriched the foundation of the university way back in 1967. And these are the very values that continue to empower Saurashtra University as it marches ahead on its journey of excellence. A journey dedicated to educating, liberating and transforming young minds. Saurashtra University, enlightening minds, shaping dreams.